Strength training doesn't work. Strength training isn't going to give you the results that you want. Strength training in the vacuum isn't going to give you the results. Hey boys, Brian with Applied Fitness. You're probably thinking I've lost my mind and I've gone crazy because I'm always preaching about the health benefits of strength training. I always say strength first, and I mean that. But what I want to clarify is strength first is part one, but part two is the repair and recovery. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the nutrition that follows the workout. Because when you go into the gym, when you go work out, believe it or not, when you're lifting all those weights, you are not necessarily toning your muscles. Then you're actually breaking down your muscle tissue. You're breaking yourself down. It is actually subsequent to that in the kitchen, eating protein, drinking your protein shake, consuming enough of that vital macronutrient. That is what's going to repair and recover to make you stronger, to make you more fit, to make you more toned, to give you that toned, lean look. It's not the workout or the strength training in the gym. It's what happens afterwards. So we always talk about the importance of A, strength training, but B, following a macronutrition diet of focusing on protein. And I've simplified it so easy for you. If you make sure you get protein each and every meal, don't worry about carbohydrates, don't worry about fat, because you know what? They're going to make their way into the diet anyways. But if you focus on just getting protein, keep it simple, you get enough protein, you will see the results that you want. Strength plus macros. Unstoppable.